Okay, let's take a look at week 3, question number 3. Again, I've set myself up with a chart here. You might not need all columns, but I've got them all there just in case. Let's jot down what we know. A buyer plans to purchase $50,000 in retail worth of hockey pants. So in total, her total pants will be worth retail $50,000. She was able to buy 6 dozen pairs of pants. So her first 6 dozen pairs of pants, she was able to buy at a cost of $28.50. Times 6 dozen, which is 72 units, for a total cost of $20.52. Those same 72 pants retail for $79.99. 72 units for a total retail on the pants of $57.59. The question says, by how much will she have to mark up the remaining pants? So, what is the markup on the remaining pants if she wants to average a markup of 62%? So again, don't forget we're dealing in markup here. So let's start to fill in the remainder of the puzzle in order to get to our average markup on the remaining pants that are left to buy. If we have a markup of 62%, in order to figure out our margin, as I said to you, it's easiest to transfer your markup into a margin percent. So 62% divided by 162%, don't forget that's the formula, gives you a margin percentage of 38.27%. Okay, now that you've got that, it's easy to calculate your margin by just taking 38.27% of 50,000. So we multiply those two together and we get a margin in dollars of $19,135. Okay, now calculating the total cost here is simple. That is simply $30,865, the difference between your margin and your selling price. Okay, now we can work our way up. It's easy to calculate this row now. It's simply the difference between the bottom row and the top row. Therefore, we have 44,241 here, and 28,813 here. Calculate your margin, simply the difference between the two numbers, at 15,428. Divide your margin into your cost, 15,428 divided by your cost of 28,813, again, unit margin divided by variable cost, gives you a markup of 53.5%.